Hey everyone, welcome to this quick tutorial. Today I will guide you through the process of changing your currency in Neteller. First of all, it's important to know that Neteller does not allow users to directly change their account currency after it's been set during registration. To change your currency, you will need to contact Neteller's help center. Log into your account and navigate to the help or support section. Submit a request explaining why you want to change your currency. Be sure to include your account details, current currency, and the currency you'd like to switch to. Neteller's team will review your request. Once your request is submitted, wait for a response for Neteller's support team. They will guide you through the next steps or provide an alternative solution. Remember, changing your currency in Neteller isn't straightforward, but their help center is always available to assist. You can make transactions in different currencies with exchange option. And that's it. Thanks for watching. And don't forget to like and subscribe for more tips.